Okay.
Good afternoon. I'm Rennie from Volkswagen Santa Monica.
And I am Gabriel from Pacific Volkswagen. We're all part of the LAcarGUY family of dealers.
Today we're going to install a roof rack just to show you how easy it is to be done. Now it's going to be a Volkswagen factory roof rack and the bicycle rack known as the Barracuda rack. So let's get started.
We're going to start with the back first.
Yeah, put the back rack on first. You may notice if it's a two-door car that you're going to have two little arrows on the glass that tell you exactly where you're supposed to install those. So you just need to make sure that they get right in between the area. Got it?
Good on my side,
Okay, this is the key, and the key is unique to your racks, so it works not only as a key to tighten everything up with, but it also keeps them safe and you can't take them off without this key. So we screw that in, basically until you feel a little bit of resistance, and then you go to the other side and do the same.
Thank you, Rennie.
Now these racks are city crash tested technology. Volkswagen tests these for crash safety and so forth so that they won't come off in the event of an accident.
Okay, we're good on this. Should we go to the front? Okay.
Pull the pin.
Yeah. Let's come over here, and if you take a look right here underneath the roof line, we have a little plug. We're just going to take this little tool here and screw it quickly. Okay, set that down for safekeeping. And then we're going to take a look here at the rack. If you see here, it has a little pin. It's actually going to go into that little cavity that we just took the pin out of. So it's basically the same deal as we did with the front. It goes in there nicely. I see where I put the tool over here. And then something also that you probably can't see, but there's an arrow right here, and then there's an arrow right here, so you know where to match it up. Because as Rennie mentioned earlier, it is unique, so you have to make sure that you're putting it on right, or you're not going to be doing anything. So tighten that up nicely. There you go. It's back in place.
Now when you purchase these racks new from Volkswagen, they come fully assembled in the box, so there's no assembly to do before you put them on the car. Everything is ready to go. Okay, so you're going to tighten this one down. It's the same thing till you get the resistance, and then hold from there. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is install a bicycle attachment. We're about 95% done with the basic racks.
There are a couple different options, but this is the most popular. It's referred to as the Barracuda. As we get this on the car, we'll show the benefits of it. First thing we're going to want to do is we're going to take these little caps, we're going to slide them down, and then you're going to see that a channel right here is exposed, and then underneath the rack you're going to see little guides that are going to go into those channels. So we're going to go like this right here, slide it on, going to match up the rear, slide that into place. It's not that complicated, but for me today it is. Let's go here. And all you want to do is, once you slide it into a nice position on the car that you're going to be able to reach up and get your bike, you're just going to snap it down into position. This part right here, you're going to slide forward so you can clamp that down, and then same on the other side. Clamp it down into position. So normally when you're traveling without your bike, all you're going to do is you're going to put this down, you're going to see this peg right here, you're going to put it onto that position, and it's going to lock it for travel. Now we're going to put a bike on, so we'll put it in the ready position right here. Up, slides right in. So right here you have these little straps that just slide around the rim of the tire. Just tighten it up. This right here is probably the biggest benefit of the Barracuda. As you see, that we made a big mistake putting. Can you slide up to that? Good job, thank you, Rennie. So we just come up here clamp straight onto the frame. Now the bike is actually very secure, very safe. You'll see right here, there's a lock, so you can actually secure the bike to the vehicle so you can be out on the town and not have to worry about the bike being stolen off your vehicle.
Right, and one of the nice features is that these have cams inside, so that when you slide this one up and clamp it on there, there's actually no way to loosen this piece. This arm will not come up as long as it's in that lock position.
Also, continue.
No, that was it. So it basically makes it a complete locked unit, and you can actually leave it on the car just as it is.
Also, something else to be mentioned is that this arm right here is actually reversible. You can remove this, flip it onto the other side, so you can have a driver, passenger, whatever's most convenient to you. If you have 2 bikes, even better.
All right.
Okay.
It will accept actually up to 3 bikes.
So, as you can see, as we did this so quickly, it's very easy to do. If anything, when in doubt, feel free to contact us. We're available here for your assistance, able to walk you through this whole step as needed.
Thank you very much from LAcarGUY.